Hey guys, this video is a bunch of random vlogs that I did while Jacob and I were thrifting and skipping class. So, yeah, enjoy that. Finding this heat. Oh shoot, finding heat. Wait, I gotta go back to my original one. Where is it?
Please
Where is
don't
it?
be my dad.
Fuck is it? Here it is. Oh thank goodness.
Right next to that. I like to think that these are both like the same person's shirt.
They're beautiful. That definitely is. We also just got a crazy encounter. I held a bird.
Heel.
What?
It's just a fucking heel.
Like,
This is so Nash. Social paintball.
what the fuck? He's not a social paintball. Yeah, crazy story, guys. There was an old man with a bird in here, and I got to hold it. And then he yelled at it for yelling, for biting. It was weird, but it was weird for sure. Find any heat?
No, they're like polyester, but they're not the funny polyester.
Right, score it. That's so loud, shut up. You want it? Oh, perfect. Oh shit. I didn't do that. You're crazy.
No one's stealing this.
I am. I'm taking that. Oh. Oh shit. This is fire. I caught that. Hey, buy me this. Cool bet wanted. Steven, what the Stephen? Can't even read that shit. I don't know what I said. What the fuck?
Want some nautical?
Oh, we can match.
Or do you want a nautical shirt?
Can you matching? You want this?
No.
Why not? You want this one?
No.
Hey, where are you from?
Canada, Cabela's.
And then I'll wear the American one.
This one just says Oakland.
Makes sense.
Oakland, yeah.
Are you from Oakland? Are you from Oakland? Oh, hey, bird guy. Get this for bird guy. Perfect. Speaking of bird guy.
Bird guy.
Here he is. It's him. You can hear the fucking bird. I have scratch marks. I'm holding the bird. Sharp claws.
Yeah, those.
He's just letting everyone.
It's just a fork. It's just a fork.
Wait, no, wait.
Feed drive.
Feed 5.
Feed 5.
Cop this shit now. I gotta cop this. Oh my god, that feels horrible.
What the hell is this?
I gotta cap this shit. I'm going to. There he is. I gotta cap this shit now. Where to watch it?
Just so everyone knows that you really like
The face is crazy.
You really like fire.
It looks like a very happy face. Oh shit. So red. I'm gonna go into the black section. Boss. Hey Jacob, live by the leaf. Live by the leaf. Oh shit!
Look at it.
I saw it, dude.
I want it.
Oh shit! Class 2020. Class 2020. Jacob.
$11.
Oh. Jacob, there's so many good shirts over here. Oh, it's the backside. Magnificent is coming. Oh shit! Get this for Cole. Get this for Cole. Birdman. I hear him. I can hear. Jacob. Jacob. This is crazy. Jacob, there's so many good fucking shirts over here. They're all awesome. I can hear the fucking Birdman. He's leaving. Birdman's leaving. That's so sad. I love you, Birdman. You're the best Birdman. Oh, there he goes. Buy me this. Zoned out. Oh, guest. I'm gonna want to go to your house. Jacob. Right beside the Zone Notes shirt and this. But wait, it gets even better. Jacob, it gets even better. Jacob, it gets better. It's double-sided.
Oh, good. You got both of them.
Exactly. These shirts are fucking awesome. They're all great. Just the black section though.
What the fuck does this mean? Brian?
Couldn't tell you. Shit straight fire. Shit straight plates.
Isn't that like Kanye West?
No idea. Today's pain is tomorrow's Today's pain is tomorrow's power. Ain't this shit fire?
This is something my shirt would wear.
In service of others, we deliver growth through deep knowledge.
I'm gonna wear this to the gym. In gym class is what I wear.
In service of others, we deliver growth through deep knowledge. Fuck off. Oh, you buy me that?
What the fuck does that say, Kobe Bryant?
Kobe Bryant? You asking him? You fucking asking him what it says?
Kids.
Oh, that's nice, man. Oh, shit. Wait, it's kind of fire.
That is fire.
It's kind of fire. This shit kind of fire.
Kind of fire.
I mean, but wait. What did it say?
Autumn.
This is autumn?
Yo, when someone asks you what season it is and it's October.
Autumn. And then Squid Game. I don't know why Squid Game.
What? It has a
I miss Birdman, dude. He was the best.
Who was the best?
I miss holding that fucking bird.
It's a fucking fake pocket.
Oh.
It's a
Checking before leaving home. Phone, wallet, keys.
American Punk.
Get this for Nash.
Malibu.
He'd love this shit.
Santa Monica. Atlantic. Santa Cruz.
Buy this for Nash. He'd love this.
Fake fucking thing.
This is being posted on YouTube. I hope you know that. I am editing it and posting it on YouTube. I'm gonna do strictly just.
Oh, I had one of these. I had one of these.
A fucking.
This was
So did John.
This
on the fucking
is
team.
where I played ball hockey.
So did John.
I was number 7 on the green team. We had like a sponsor. We were really good.
Jacob, can I cop this?
These are still here. Okay, for reference, a few weeks ago. Focus on the figures. And we have found these shirts 5 different times. No
so
one's
many
buying
of
these.
them. They're all, I want it. Buy it for me.
Team Leo.
Yeah, Team Leo. Go back to that. Go back to that.
Humber. Humber?
Humbid.
Are you
Humber.
skipping? No, I'm walking.
Yeah, I'm walking to school right now. I'm gonna keep looking.
But where?
I'm gonna keep browsing. Yellow. Or red. Get them Canada shirts. I'm looking at blue. It's easy in the eyes. I miss Birdman so much. I miss him so much. I miss him so much. He's the best.
I'm looking up Harley Davidson.
Oh shit. Cop this? For you?
Harley Davis. Lounge.
Both sound at the exact same time. Straight fire. They're too big for me. I can't read them. Oh. So. Oh, perfect. Buy me this.
Yeah. You know what it is.
Hey, match your shirt.
Rabbit.
The yellow stripe.
Black and yellow. Oh, these are swords.
Shut up, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna cop these.
Oh, that's from And Ones.
Look at this shit.
Those
All
And
fluff.
Andy Ones.
Oh shit. I gotta cop this shit. I gotta cop this. Shit is fire. So tiny.
No, that's racist. That's racist to you.
Sucks for you, man. Oh. Oh shit.
You skipped over this.
I missed that fully. Try not to.
How?
I don't know.
Hey,
Hey, shoppers. I'm trying to run some fucking shoes, dude. What do you mean how? I got taken aback by these awesome shoes. Really cool.
Okay then.
Oh shit. I'm slightly taller now. The ugliest hell, dude. My socks are clean. Excuse you very much. caught that right. No. We have a lot of hard cuts to just like random things in this video. Us?
Put a vine boom like under it.
Of course. Oh shit. Me? Fuck. I gotta feel it again, dude.
No.
Ew.
You are a survivor.
True.
Wishing you peacefully moments.
That's English.
Find me
It's a bag. Can open them up. Unzip them. Come on. Find a zipper and unzip them.
There's no zipper.
Should be the bottom.
It's no, there's, swear to God, there's no zipper.
There's no zipper. You're just
I swear to fucking God.
he's just always closed.
Yeah, he's
Permanently closed. Wow.
forsaken to be closed.
Stress less. 50 card to focus your mind. Shut up, bro.
Oh, in case your name's Zia.
Or A's.
AZ, like Pokemon.
Yeah. What's in the box?
What's in this box?
The box.
Is better.
Ah.
Okay, he matches the animals in there.
What's in the box? Shit. Green.
Is this Jesus?
Yeah, it's Jesus. What's in the box? Can't open it. What's in the box? What's in the
Love
box?
what you do.
Photo.
I'm gonna get this for my English teacher and then burn it because she's a bitch.
That's for. Hey, is that you?
Yeah, that's me.
Is that you? That's me. What'd you find? Oh, bells. Awesome. There's no ring. There's no ring to ring the bell.
Hey.
What the fuck is that? I got the gay bell.
Green for
I
head.
heart.
Ring for head.
I heart Saskatoon. Saskatoon.
You gotta believe in yourself.
I love gay Saskatoon. Awesome.
Oh, there's supposed to be a photo.
Yeah, that makes sense.
He has a dick, look. He literally
Kinda
has
ween.
a dick.
Oh shit. You.
Grandma, they may
What
be
is
silver
Drake
in your
playing?
hair. But you got hearts.
What are you saying right now? Plate.
I think it's
Yeah, it's 12:20. You need a bag of this. Vases and planters. Awesome. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this super awesome, cool video. Yeah, okay, bye.